At Boots, we have been championing everyone's right to feel good since 1849.
My name is Tracy Clements. I'm proud to be the Chief Operating Officer for Boots in the UK and Ireland. With over 2,500 stores, ranging from local community pharmacies to large destination health and beauty stores, over 90% of the UK population is within a 10-minute drive of a Boots store, or just a thumb away from Boots.com. And as consumers are spending more time online, we are seeing tremendous year-on-year growth on Boots.com. And to meet the growth of online sales and customer expectations, we had to innovate the way that our supply chain works.
And the answer was automation. I'm Adam Coventry. I'm head of warehousing for Boots.com. At our .com warehouse, we've created a high-tech and fully automated operation for goods in and out. We have the safety of our colleagues, efficiency and sustainability at the core of what we do. Every year we pick, pack and ship over 42 million products to our customers. Once the items have been picked by the cobots, they arrived here, ready to be packed by the latest addition to our high-tech warehouse operations, the CVP Impack packaging solution from Quadient. This has genuinely revolutionised the packing process for Boots.com, reducing the need for extra packing stations and increasing the items packed to up to 500 items an hour per machine, helping us to meet the high demand of online orders. It is so important for us to be able to grow whilst providing the best customer experience by minimising our environmental impacts. The CVP Impack is designed to be extremely user-friendly and handle a broad range of our products in one seamless flow. The built-in 3D scanners cuts the card perfectly to size, which neatly wraps around the products, reducing cardboard packaging. We're able to use 100% recycled Boots branded cardboard and no longer need to use any additional filler material. Once packed, the box is taped, labelled and seamlessly reconnected to our conveyors, all in a matter of seconds, allowing us to keep pace with the increasing number of online orders even during peak times.
The customer experience is extremely important to Boots. So as we continue to see high demands online, we know that packing automation is not only supporting our supply chain, but also ensuring we can continue to meet the needs of all our customers so they receive the same care outside our stores as they do within.